What is going on, pie holders? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we got to talk about Picoin, talk about the overall cryptocurrency market crash, and why better days are coming very, very soon. Now, remember, as always, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and consider subscribing to the channel. So the entire market is red right now, but on good news, if you scroll down on CoinMarketCap, the 11th biggest cryptocurrency in the market, now updated, is Picoin, the only one in the green amongst the top 20, even top 50 cryptocurrencies today, up 1.57% at a $12.2 billion valuation. I've been seeing it all over Twitter. I've been seeing it over social media, even some media articles talking about what is this Picoin and why is it amongst the top 20 cryptocurrencies in the world, approaching top 10? Well, there's a lot to talk about today, guys, because Donald Trump continues to cause panic and fear in the markets while all of this is happening and everything is retracing to newer lows, 10%, 15%, 20% pullbacks after a recent rally. We're seeing Picoin hold above that consolidation period that we saw late February on the 23rd through the 26th, and now testing a little bit of higher highs and higher lows, which overall means bullish sentiment. But let's talk about what Donald Trump is doing to the cryptocurrency market, why the industry is pulling back. But I believe this month is going to be absolutely massive for crypto. Before going into April, I do believe we're going to see all-time highs for Pi. We're going to see all-time high for BTC and many, many more. So here we go and here we start. First and foremost, cryptocurrency market crashes by $300 billion as Trump tariffs spark global sell-off. Ethereum fell over 11%, Solana plunged 15%, XRP 12%, even Cardano. But we're seeing them drop by significant digits, and it's all because of these tariffs. A day after cryptocurrency surged on optimism surrounding Donald Trump's U.S. strategic reserves, the market suffered a dramatic crash, wiping out $300 billion in value and over $1 billion equivalent in longs being liquidated. Bitcoin plummeted nearly 10%, while major altcoins, including ETH and Sol, posted losses over 15%. So, the free fall. The sharp downturn was triggered by Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs on China, Mexico, and Canada, which rattled financial markets and sparked global sell-offs. Investors already wary of regulatory hurdles surrounding Trump's crypto reserve initiative now face mounting economic uncertainty. So as of 12:41 p.m., Bitcoin was trading right around 84.1, and currently it's actually a little bit lower than that even. If we look at BTC's price, it's at 83 even. Fell below 83,000 just a bit ago. And we saw, again, some significant sliding happening in the overall markets. But we're going to talk about why there's still some bullish things to look forward to, catalysts that will fuel Pi's movement forward, and why I really still think that this is going to be one of the biggest and strongest cryptocurrencies that's going to outperform the entire market. Before I do so, remember there's always a link down below for the mindpi.com. If you want to become a pioneer and a contributor of the network for free and start getting passive income while you're doing your day-to-day job, consider the link down below for Pi Network. It's available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. And there's always 30 free stocks with Mumu. When you check out the link down below, they allow a little bit of crypto-related ETF investments, but most importantly, 30 free stocks await for you, up to 30 free stocks when you use the link below. So let's go ahead and dive in. March 4th, 2025, 3:43 UTC, a published article came out saying Picoin price prediction, bullish scenario revealed. The story highlights Pi Network drops 41% from its all-time high and will exchange listings in real-world application and adoption drive a price recovery in March. Businesses globally accepting Pi as payment, from cars to retail and things that I've talked about in previous videos. Candidates boosted demand and push Pi towards new heights. So right now we know our strong resistance is right out the new all-time high of $2.98. And it since has pulled back about 40 to 41%, but holding strong at $1.75, $1.76, even down to $1.65. This price volatility has raised questions amongst investors about what's driving the changes in its value. Will Pi Network get listed on major exchanges? The question is, will. The token's future is closely tied to market sentiment and exchange listings. Right now is not the right time for Binance to list us. in 5 to 10 days, maybe on National Pi Day or International Pi Day, which is 3.14 March 24th, or excuse me, 14th, that is going to be a much better time because we want the overall market to be performing well. We want to see a green market on good news. Because remember, my saying, good news on red days is not going to have good effects, but good news on green days will amplify the green candles and the positive momentum. So we don't want good news on poor momentum. We want good news on strong momentum. So according to Coin Codex, Pi could surge 234% this month, with a potential average price of $3.37, an increase of 101.79% from its current value, and the highest price forecast for the month of March is $5.64, giving you a return of over 200% on your current holdings. A major factor affecting Pi's price is the anticipation surrounding its potential listing on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. You guys, it's funny. I had a dream last night when I was sleeping. I woke up in the middle of the night and I kind of was like, whoa, what just happened? I had a dream that Binance and Coinbase both listed Pi on their exchanges simultaneously at the exact same moment. And we saw just this parabolic green candle that was just not stopping. Then I woke up and realized it isn't time yet. Recently, Binance held the community vote with 86% of its users, actually 91%, supporting the listing of Pi. However, despite the strong support, Pi Network has yet to be listed, which has led to some uncertainty among investors and contributed to the recent price dip. People are expecting the launch to go live on March 1st. It didn't happen, which is okay. We want paper-handed individuals that are looking for only short-term catalysts to get out, because we are trying to build something here that is much bigger than each and every one of us individually, but instead as a community, something pretty massive. We know what's happening right now in terms of business accepting Pi as payment and the adoption that continues to increase. But folks, you need to understand numbers don't necessarily need to make sense early on. Right now, Pi's valuation is extremely undervalued to where it should be based off the user base, the active community, the engagement that Pi coin is seeing and receiving on socials and on mainstream media. But wait till the major exchanges list, and then you can start creating a sell strategy, because I think anything below $10 for Pi would be a steal. Anything under $50 for Pi is probably still going to be pretty good valuation. But again, we need the overall market to conform. When BTC goes to 200,000, when we see Ethereum go back to 4,800, 5,000, 6,000, when we see XRP break a new all-time high, Solana breaking an all-time high, Tron, Cardano, Pi is the 11th biggest cryptocurrency, is going to be right there to show the world why it deserves to be a top 3 crypto. I appreciate your guys' support as always. That's all I had for you today. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.